In his Easter message, Archbishop Ole Sapit alluded to the now infamous handshake between President Uhuru Kenyatta and his rival NASA leader Raila Odinga, saying his prayer is that it will set the pace for greater things for the country, which desperately needs to be united. But he also noted that two arms of the government are far from united, referring to what he described as the executive's blatant disregard to recent judicial orders in Miguna's deportation case, a move he called regrettable.
We urge the executive arm of government to observe and obey court orders. How can they demand of citizenry to obey court orders when they themselves do not?
Father Timothy Kiplagat from the Eldoret Sacred Heart Cathedral weighed in on the matter too.
I would just suggest that maybe due process is followed, especially when it comes in terms of deportation, without really infringing the right of the individual. At the same time, also creating a lot of unnecessary tension in our country.
Ole Sapit condemned the attack on journalists who were covering the arrival of Miguna.
Recent attacks on journalists by the security forces as they undergo their work is unacceptable. If things were done in a proper and orderly manner, we will not need to see all the drama that was broadcast to the entire world.
Food security also topped the Archbishop's address. He urged county and national governments to look seriously at the issues.
The government talks about importing food while also promising to buy food from farmers, but actually not doing so.
And on national security, Ole Sapit congratulated the forces on intercepting a major terror plot that targeted government buildings, but also raised pertinent questions.
How could we be in a country where terrorists will hire an apartment, a hotel room, transport the explosive without anybody noticing?
The Archbishop also touched on the need to avoid disruption in learning institutions, finding water harvesting techniques, better forest management, and the Easter message of bringing hope for a better future for the nation. Smriti Vidyarthi, NTV.